Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. For the last 15-16 years, we've been developing tools. We've been helping over 7,400 clients complete certain tasks and be able to automate certain processes that otherwise would have taken them hours to do, and while also removing human error. Every week I get emails from you guys kind of telling me how much our tools have meant to them, how easy they've been to use, and how much they've appreciated the white glove support. And I appreciate those emails. Keep them coming. Feel also free to check out our reviews. We've got over 115 5-star reviews on Google. Just been great kind of reading those reviews. Feel free to go through them and see what my clients have to say about us. So don't take my word for it. For today's tool, what we're trying to do is we're trying to find a midpoint between a list of multiple addresses in Excel. So let's think for a moment you've got a list of clients, and this can be a list of clients or maybe employees. There can be multiple uses, multiple scenarios for this tool, for this process. So we've got a list of points and we're trying to find the middle point between them. Said in other words, finding the point where the total travel between everybody is minimal. The reason for this might be multiple. Maybe you want to build a office location based on, set up an office location based on where your employees live. Maybe you want to find a central point to deliver to all of your customers, or maybe a central point where they can drop off certain produce, etc. So again, just can be a lot of use cases for this tool, but really at the end of the day, what we're trying to do is we're trying to find a central location that minimizes total driving time between all those points. To do that is extremely easy. As you can see, our tool is built in Excel. Just a little kind of background on our tools. They're all built in Excel. As said, there's nothing to install, so all you need is Excel. You'll also need a Google Maps API key, which you can place into the settings tab. Once you do that, we'll list our list of clients. That's not necessary or that's not required, but it's helpful to know which client or which address is which client. We put a list of our locations and click on calculate. As you can see, the tool will automatically generate a latitude and longitude of that central location along with an address. Now, the address will not always be an exact address because obviously it's just a point, a geographical point, but the tool will try to find the closest address to that middle point. In addition, we have a feature here where we can click on Google Maps, and it looks like that showed up on my other screen there, but it will point all the different client locations, and this will be our central location somewhere between Akron and New Holland there. And so this would be the place where, in this case, if we wanted to build an office or set up a pickup place, that would be the middle ground between all the different locations. And it really should be as simple as that. Feel free to download the tool. There's a download link in the description. Again, you'll need a Google Maps API key. I do have some instructions on how to set up that Google Maps API key. And really, it should be as simple as that. If you've got any questions, here's my phone number, here's my email. Feel free to call or email me. Yes, I do answer the phone. It'll be me picking up the phone directly, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you very much for watching this, and till next time.